Alright, hold on. I gotta water cool this PC. This one leaked. Alright. Sorry. Oh shit. Up there. Didn't too far. Yeah. Frisbee it. Stood up. Yeah. It sounded brutal. Let's check the damage. Nice.
What?
I can hear her from downstairs.
What is she saying?
Oh my god, and laughing. Just don't go in the garden.
Right, what if I hit the brake?
Dead. Dead. Just hold it by the wire.
Yeah, I'll swing it.
Dead.
More like a bell. Gaming rig.
Oh, it's like, yeah, I'll kind of far.
Just pick it up.
I don't want to hit the bird feeder.
Fortnite PC. I like the ringing. Alright. Alright, so my friend just told me off Discord that once I get my new CPU that I should scratch off all these pins. So I'm gonna try to do that now. See if it works. Yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah, they're all scratching off. I gotta do it for all the pins?
I think so.
It's gonna take a while, maybe. Gotta make sure you get all of them. I wanna be a little bit careful with this. Make sure you get all the pins. I think that's probably good, right?
Yeah.
Try to stick it back in the PC. Right there. Right here? Yeah, right there. Alright. I think it fits. Looks like it. We just like, where's that other piece? Yeah, just like really get it down there. Yeah, it fits well. Does work.